Hello everybody and welcome. And we're going to do a quick little unboxing or review or look at it. Not a review because I haven't ever used it before, but it's called the decoking kit from BritPart. And there's the part number. It's the diesel head gasket set, non-retorque set kit or whatever, STC 1564. So this is for the diesel, and I'll put that over here or whatever. So this is the kit that you get. Whenever I was online and I was looking and I could not find any information on anything, and the most important thing was I wanted to know if this head gasket was copper or not. So let's take a look at the kit. So here are some little pieces and parts here. Oops, oh, as I spill them everywhere. Okay, so what's in the little bag is you got the injectors, seals. Looks like there's 4 of those here. Injector seals. You got your old style valve seals here. And then it comes with the newer style as well. And I think these are the little rings for the on top of your diesel injectors. You get a set of those. This little thing, I'm not really sure what it's for. Your oil. I think this is for your oil filler. I'll set these over here as we're looking at it here. I'm only doing this so you can take a look at this because I find it to be a real pain in the butt whenever you try to find something online and you can't get any information on it easily. So here's some more. You got a bigger O-ring and some other little pieces, little seals and things like that go along. And you might be able to pick out what these pieces go to if you can see them on screen. So there's all those. And it did come with a full set of these. It's already on my engine, so I already used that on the head. Watch the videos for those for the head that's coming up. All right, so what you got is your fuel pump, thermostat gasket, exhaust gasket, another thermostat gasket, and then for the plates on the side, your cover plates on the side of the engine are inside this bag. You got a new, actually flat, amazingly, valve cover gasket. Got your exhaust gasket, which is different for a diesel and a petrol, so make sure you order the right one so you don't order the wrong one. So then the cylinder head gasket. Let's take a look at this one. From what I could tell, it doesn't look like it's copper, but it could be some type of weird copper, I don't know, or aluminum of some sort. But if you look at it closely, there's no markings on it, no nothing telling you top or anything, but you should be able to put it on the right way. But it doesn't look like, unless, it might be copper, but it looks like it might have some type of coating on the top of it. But it looks like there's a gasket in between of it. So if you buy this kit, make sure that you get it and you're not getting, it's not going to come with a copper gasket. Okay, so this is the end of the video. This is just BritPart. Here's the tag for it so you can take a look at it and know what it looks like before you purchase it so there's no surprises. Catch you later. Talk to you later. And also, this isn't sponsored by BritPart because I don't get any sponsors. So anyways, have a good one. I'll catch you in the next one. Also, keep an eye out for the video on whenever I install all this. Thank you. One last part before I close the video. I'm interested to see if anybody's used these head gaskets before. So let me know if you have in the comments below. That would be really awesome. Thank you very much.